update up until the end of October of our solar and usage stats. To start off with, there has been a few little changes. We've sold the MG5 and we've now got a Tesla Model 3 long range. But the more important potential change that we're going to do is we're going to remove the 12 kilowatt electric boiler and potentially replace it with an Octopus heat pump. And that's despite my conclusion from last year with the running costs of our infrared heating system. And I do think this will be the last year of the infrared heating system before the heat pump potentially goes in. I'm going to document the process for installing an Octopus heat pump and also what I think of the overall process and Octopus's way of working and see how it goes. But I will do a small series of videos how things are progressing or not progressing as things go on. Moving on to our 2023 running costs. We've been grid free up until the end of October for 84 days, and that's unlikely to go up anymore due to the winter months. We've currently done 6,352 miles at a cost of £91.11. We've imported 7,448.8 kilowatt hours. We've had a solar production of 7,913.6 kilowatt hours, so that's totaling 15,362.4 kilowatt hours. That's cost us £935.23. We've had three of our 4 fit payments, and that totals £2,034.53. We've had £331.68 from the Octopus campaigns and reward schemes, and that gives us a balance of minus £1,430.98 running up until the end of October 2023. As usual, thanks for watching. If you've got any comments or questions, please add it to the section below, and I'll leave you with the day-by-day data from the Tesla app throughout the month. It's also worth mentioning that we have not yet pulled from the grid at peak rate, so everything so far, thanks to our new battery system and the Tesla Powerwall, has been all off peak at 7.5 pence per kilowatt hour.